Hi kids, I'm happy to see you all again. Today we are going to learn about id family words. I, d, id. Let's get started. K, id, kid. L, id, lid. Let's practice some more id words. B, id, bid. D, id, did. H, id, hid. L, id, lid. R, id, rid. Read with me. Bid, did, hid, lid, rid. Your turn to read. Excellent reading. Bye bye kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video updates. Link to all my videos given below in the description box. Keep watching.